Hey everyone, it's Howard from Newous, and today we're back with another unboxing video. We'll be taking a closer look at one of the most powerful Radeon graphics cards to date, the GIGABYTE RX 6950 XT Gaming OC. The RX 6950 XT is a supercharged version of the RX 6900, similar to how NVIDIA has their TI version graphics cards. This GPU is still based on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture and still utilizes AMD's 7nm process for the GPU. This is a high-end gaming graphics card for 4K gaming and can also handle video streaming in 8K. You'll of course get AMD FreeSync and other Radeon software such as Fidelity FX, AMD Anti-Lag, and image sharpening as well. This graphic card will support PCIe 4.0 interface and will contain 16 gigs of GDDR6 memory for a total memory bandwidth of 576 gigabits per second. You get a black plastic shroud with silver edges along the side, and this actually looks very similar to the RX 6900 XT Gaming OC. However, this graphic card is noticeably heavier, and the RX 6950 XT is a gigantic graphic card, even bigger in length and width than our RTX 3080 Gaming OC. When we compare it side by side with the RX 6900 XT, it's going to be noticeably bigger and about 2 inches in length and about 1 inch in width. The GPU is cooled by 3 large 100mm fans, which are all covered by graphene nano lubricant and will spin in alternate directions as well. Underneath the fans, as part of our WindForce cooling system, are 8 copper heat pipes and a large vapor chamber that directly touches the GPU and the VRAM. On the back side, you're gonna get a full metal backplate. On the right, you guys can notice there is an extended heatsink design called screen cooling, which allows for additional airflow. And don't forget, this GPU has dual BIOS, which supports OC and silent mode, which can be found right here. Before we get to the rest of the specs, we notice that most of you who are watching these videos actually aren't subscribed yet. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like these type of contents and you want to keep up with the latest products that Newous is coming out with. Now let's take a look at the side of the GPU, because I think from the side is when you can really appreciate everything about this GPU. First, you can notice all the thin heat sinks that are located on the side, which really does add to the weight of the card. In the corner right here, you'll notice we have 3 8-pin power connectors. If you're getting this card, please make sure you have at least an 850 watt power supply. And yes, there will be RGB on this graphics card. Where you see the GIGABYTE logo, there will also be a small LED strip right below it. And lastly, we have our display outputs. And this is pretty standard for GIGABYTE Gaming OC graphics cards. Here you have 2 HDMI 2.1 ports for 4K gameplay, as well as 2 DisplayPort 1.4s. Given that this is a very premium gaming GPU, the RX 6950 XT may not be suitable for every single build out there. However, if you're a performance chaser or a true AMD enthusiast, this may just be the right graphic card for you. We hope you found this video helpful today. If you're interested in picking up the GIGABYTE RX 6950 XT Gaming OC, be sure to click the link in the description below. If you like this unboxing and want to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell, and leave a comment down below on what product you want us to unbox next. You can check out our other unboxing videos right here, and we'll be back next Thursday for another unboxing video. This is Howard from Newous checking out here. Team up and fight on.